Congratulations and welcome to the Centiverse. Now, we're going to be talking about your web development project and how you can get the most out of it. Now, the Webverse is our division at the Centiverse that handles all our web development. So we're going to talk about that process today and how you can keep track of the whole thing. So we want to make sure that you never are worried about, what's going on. Is my website getting worked on? We're going to show you how to monitor the entire thing. It keeps us accountable and make sure you get the website that you paid for. So let's go to the screen and talk about our process. Now, our process here at the Centiverse is a 9-step process, everything from onboarding to launch and deployment. So onboarding is what you've probably already been through if you're watching this video, and that's just getting you set up with the software, get you set up with the web development, or whatever platform you're using. Information gathering, we're going to see onboarding forms. You put your information in there, and when we have your information, we can use that to build out your website. Now, depending on the package you got, if you got a custom website, the design phase is a little bit more involved. But if you didn't get a custom website, we have a lot of great templates that we put you on to make sure that we build out quickly. And here's a secret. Most websites nowadays are built on templates that are customized. So it's going to look completely custom. So don't worry about it looking generic or anything like that. It's just a quicker way to make sure that we save costs for clients who don't want to go full custom and they can keep the cost down. Development phase, we're going to build out all the parts, make sure that all your information is on that site, colors, logos, pictures, everything you like. Then we're going to sit down with you and do the revision phase where you're going to look at it, see what you like. And if it's anything that you don't like, we change it and get it to your specifications. After it's to your specifications, we do quality assurance. That's making sure that all the links work. That's making sure that all the follow-up sequences and everything that we add into the websites for you is working and operational. Then we have offboarding, where we give you access to everything, make sure you understand how the software works. And if you're on our software, we have a full Funnelverse Academy, which trains you on how to use the software. So even after you get off with us, you'll be good to go on the software. And we have follow-ups every month with you to make sure that you're adjusting well with the software. So that's one thing to keep in mind. If you got our software, we're going to make sure you're taken care of while you're on the Funnelverse. All right, now let's transition over here to the fulfillment process so I can show you how the entire thing works and you'll be able to monitor the entire process. Here we have a fulfillment board. And we removed a lot of people out of the fulfillment because we didn't want people's private information to be shown back here with their projects and stuff like that. But your project will show here and only our internal team will see it. And what we're going to do here is we're going to give you a card like this. So as soon as you get onboarded, you get a card like this. Now, this card has tasks. In each stage, we've set out tasks that we need to accomplish for each web project. Now, we've done enough of these to know what tasks we need to do at each stage. So we walk you through this process. Now, the beauty of this is once you get a card like that, we're going to send you a link. So when we move you to the information gathering stage, you're going to get a text message like this. Now, the beautiful thing about this text message is you're going to have a link right there that you can click. And that link is going to take you to a page like this. So you can see this has all the tasks on here. Now, if you can't see this, just go down here and click subtask and make sure this pops open. But you're going to be able to see the progress of this stage. Now, here's the beautiful thing. If I move this stage, if I go back over here to the pipeline and I move this to design and I refresh this, you'll see now it's in the design phase. And you're going to get another message that says you've been moved to the design phase and all the tasks associated with the design phase will be right there. Now, as you go through this process, you'll be able to monitor the entire thing. If anything goes wrong, anything like that, you'll know exactly where your website is. You'll know exactly how close it is to completion because you'll be able to see things like due dates, deadlines, stuff like that. We like to be very accountable, and that's how we keep our process streamlined because we have accountability to you. And if anything goes wrong on our end, we'll be able to tell you, hey, we were supposed to reach this deadline, but maybe we're able to get some information. Maybe something happened internally, things happen during projects. But you'll be able to see the entire process all the way through to make sure that you're getting the most out of your web project. With that being said, I want to thank you for being part of the Centiverse family. We can't wait to build your website with the Webverse, and we look forward to seeing what you're going to do and how you reach your full potential. If you have any questions, hit us up at support@thecentiverse.com, or you can always hit us up in one of the groups, and I'll see you in the next one.